So onto the interior change. First we've got to remove the seats. Just a case of undoing the mounting bolts at the front if it's using those as a standard fitment. 2 7/16. Pretty simple. So let's get that done. That's the 2 front seats out. All of a 5-minute job. Hence some bits on them you have to love. Next are going to be the rear seats. Quite easy, pop up at the front. There could be a couple of screws in the corners in the rear. Okay, that's the rear seats fitted. Originally came out of an Alfa. They fit quite nice. Need to put some carpet down the edges here so the seat doesn't come out like the Mini one does. I had to put some brackets across the back here and here for it to hook into. I did have my speakers underneath the seats here, but I'm going to have to modify them because where the speaker is, the actual bracket to fit these seats is. So I'll have to look at that. I may look at 3D printing something to go under there. So next job, try the front seat. Right, the seats are now fitted. Not looking too bad. Both front and rear. So I have to make the brackets up to support the seats. But they're looking good. So I just need to do a bit of cleaning now. Since doing the seats, I've done some work on the inside. As you see, I've done away with the heater control, activating as a switch. I'll just turn it on. And see, red for hot, 0 for cold. And then from the inside you can see that it's done away with the heater control unit, which is a lot tidier. Time will tell how it will work, so I'll keep you updated on that. But everything else is done. Just needs an MOT.